Hey groomers, Tyler and Smokey here. He's back there, he's waking up. Just want to show you something to look out for when you get your blades sharpened or before you get them sharpened. Here we go. This blade's very dead. It's got no rail. Last sharpener just kept grinding off. It's way overdue for replacement. So this blade probably wasn't working too well. You can see the indents from just wear and very little oil. You can tell they might have been oiling up here and not down here. It's all red. And this is from the same shop. Same thing, no rails. See that? So what I'm referring to as a rail is you have a back rail that's right here and then a front rail. And in between you should have space, a gap from the rail sticks up, and that's to let hair come through, heat come through. It makes the blades cut. So when the blades are ground down like this, I could sharpen it, it'll be sharp, but it won't work. So just a heads up, if your blades look like this, either in the back or in the front, if either of these rails are gone, it's done for. Take the money you would have had to sharpen it and invest it into a brand new blade. That's all. Have a good day.